Today we're unboxing Disney Princess Ariel. This set includes the doll and 6 accessories, which we can see on the box. This is recommended for ages 3 and up. There's also activities inside.
Here is the back of the box.
So let's get Ariel out of the box. On the front side of the box, when you open it, there's this ocean background. And then when you open the back side of the box,
we have the coloring sheet and some activities.
So here is Ariel out of the box. Her hair is very silky and long and wavy. Her eyes are painted. The shells are sparkly and a dark purple, and then this part here is a light purple, and it is attached by this clear sparkle strap that has ruffles, and it velcros in the back. And then we have this plastic piece and like buttons in the back. Her towel is green with a darker green going across for the scales. And up here we have that roughly clear, sparkly part for the trim. Then her fins are this clear, light green. They are actually pretty big. Her towel velcros in the back so you can take it off and change her outfit. Her head can turn. She can sit. Her arms go back and forth out to the side. She has movement at the wrist. She can bend at the elbow, but it's like a snap bend. The 6 accessories we get include these white high heels with like these pearls going around them. Ariel's blue dress, which has silver sparkles around it. A navy blue top. A dark blue bottom, and then there's like this cutout part here going all along the bottom. The dress velcros in the back. Then we have this brush, which on the back looks like a fork, which I think is really cute because Ariel calls a fork a dingle hopper and uses it as a brush. And then we have Flounder here, and we have this blue bow that has a rubber band on it so it can go in Ariel's hair. Then we have these baguettes wrapped with a bow. Here we have Ariel in her second outfit, and now she has a pair of legs and has totally transformed. She's got her cute little bow in her hair and her white high heels on. Her legs can go forward and back, and they can bend. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.